So for today's how-to, we're going to be looking at all the touchscreen buttons that are actually just below the touchscreen, okay? Right above our climate control display right here, you have all of your hard set buttons that control on the touchscreen right here. We have our volume button, guys. Obviously, if we turn it to the right here, it's going to turn your volume up. Turn it to the left, it turns it down. Right to the right of it, guys, we have our map button. So if you click the map button, it will pull up the map and show exactly where you are on the map. Right next to that is the navigation. If you press the navigation, it pulls up the navigation menu. This is where you'd actually be able to save places. If we press and hold the navigation button, guys, it pulls up right away to the search, so you can automatically search where you're going to need to go without having to save it in the menu. We have our media button. This, if you just click it, it shows all of our different media options. So obviously we have FM, AM, Sirius XM radio, as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay functionalities inside of this guy. Okay guys, so in the media feature here, obviously we have all the music options. One of the cool features that you can also access is sounds of nature. So if you're somebody that likes to have a nice relaxing drive, you maybe like the sound of rain, you like the sound of the forest, anything like that, you can have that playing through the car at all times, which is nice. Right here, guys, one of my favorite options in these new Hyundais is our customized kind of do what you want button. What it's actually called is your custom button. You can have it do whatever you want to do. So it shows you right here, there's a menu. I pressed and hold to get to here. You can customize it to do whatever you want.